Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be explaining how to upgrade or install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. This is the most effective and best method to install Windows 11 on any old PC or laptop whose CPU, Secure Boot, or TPM isn't supported. By the end of this video, you'll be able to successfully install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Let's get started. Before we begin, let me show you that on my old laptop, and when I open the Windows Update screen, it says that this PC doesn't currently meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Even if I use the PC Health Checkup tool, it confirms that my processor isn't supported for Windows 11. You might be facing the same issue, but don't worry. Step 1. Download Windows 10. The first step is to download ISO image of Windows 10. To do this, open Chrome browser, then, type Windows 10 ISO image and select the first link, which is from Microsoft. Here's a little trick because you might not find the latest Windows 10 ISO download option on the website. In Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right, go to More Tools, and select Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools, click on the three dots again, go to More Tools, and choose Network Conditions. In the Network Conditions tab, find User Agent and uncheck Use Browser Default and select Chrome OS from the drop-down menu. Refresh Microsoft web page, and you'll now see the Windows 10 2023 update. Click on it and choose the Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Select your product language and confirm. You'll also need to choose the 32-bit or 64-bit version. Remember, you'll need to do the same for Windows 11 later, so make sure to choose the same language and architecture. Step 2. Download Windows 11. Now that you've downloaded Windows 10, come back to Google and search for Windows 11 ISO. Open first link, scroll down, and you'll find the Download Windows 11 disk image. Select your edition and choose the same language and architecture you selected for Windows 10. Step 3. Copying Windows 10 files. Once you've completed the downloads, open the Windows 10 ISO file, create a new folder, let's name it Win11 Install. Copy all the Windows 10 files and paste them into this new folder. Step 4. Replacing Windows 10 with Windows 11. Now, open your File Explorer and locate the Windows 11 ISO file you just downloaded. Double-click to open it, navigate to the Sources folder, and find the install.vim file. Copy this file and paste it into the Sources folder within your Win11 Install folder. Choose to replace the file in the destination. Step 5. Installing Windows 11. With all the files in place, go to the Win11 Install folder on your desktop, and run the setup file. It will start the installation process. It might show Install Windows 10, but don't worry, it's going to install Windows 11. During the installation, you'll reach a page that says Change how Windows Setup downloads updates. Select the second option, Not right now. Uncheck this and click Next. This will check your PC's compatibility with the modified installation. Click Accept when prompted to accept the license terms. You'll be presented with the installation options. It is selecting this option as default, which means all my files are going to be deleted. Click on Next. Now, click Install, and the installation process will begin. This can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes, depending on your system's speed. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the login page. Sign in with your PIN or password. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. This method should work for you as well. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.